Can I trade futures on Webull? Futures trading on Webull is currently not available, a significant limitation for traders seeking to explore this highly leveraged financial instrument. Futures contracts, which allow investors to speculate on the price movements of commodities, indices, and other assets, are often seen as an advanced tool for hedging or profit-seeking strategies. Interestingly, retail investor participation in futures has increased by over 30% in the past few years, spurred by the appeal of volatility-driven profits. Another shock is that the futures market is among the most liquid, with some contracts allowing small margin requirements of just $400 to $1,000. Despite this, Webull has chosen to exclude futures from its platform, focusing instead on stocks, ETFs, and options trading. Webull's primary appeal lies in its simplicity and commission-free trading, making it a popular choice for novice investors. For those new to investing, the platform offers an intuitive interface with advanced charting tools and real-time market data. However, this simplicity also means that Webull does not provide the same breadth of investment options as other brokers. Without futures, traders looking for ways to hedge risk or access highly volatile markets must turn to other platforms such as TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers, which offer futures contracts alongside stocks and options. The absence of futures trading on Webull can be seen as both an advantage and a disadvantage. For beginners, the lack of futures reduces the risk of engaging in high-leverage trading, which can lead to significant losses if not managed carefully. However, for experienced traders seeking to diversify their portfolios with futures contracts, Webull's current offerings fall short. In conclusion, while Webull offers a solid platform for basic and intermediate trading, it is not suitable for those looking to access futures markets.